folks, it's me Fifi, your Isla girl, and welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry for my bare face. I just got home from school and it's early, so I decided to film. My bags are saying hello and my spots are winking at all of you. But anyways, this video is going to be so exciting because I have been waiting for this since December, and as you know already by the title of this video, it is going to be all about these bad boys. Oh my gosh, can you even see them? They're so shiny. This is KATHLEENLIGHTS Dream Set. This is her Dream Street palette and her Dream Team lip kit. I have been waiting for this since December. I ordered this December and now it is February. Shout out to my girl Kelsey, our superstar, for ordering this. I ordered this with her. So last year ColourPop started coming out with palettes, eye palettes, when Kathleen announced that she was having her own. I panicked. I legit panicked. I had to have it. As most of you know, Kathleen is my #1 favorite YouTuber ever in the entire world. I love her. I love her work. And I just had to have this. I've never tried these. Well, I have never tried this. I have tried these. This is the KATHLEENLIGHTS Dream Team Lip Bundle. The packaging in these are so amazing, guys. Look at it. It's so Kathleen. It screams Kathleen. The rose gold, the glimmery. To address the elephant in the room, Rever, it's French. She said it's French. I don't know how to pronounce it. She doesn't know how to pronounce it. We'll just go with that. I am not an orange lipstick girl. I don't wear orange lipstick mainly because I don't think it looks that great on me. I don't think it looks great on me, period. Which is why I didn't purchase Miami Fever. I only purchased Havana Nights, which is one of my all-time favorite lippies ever. But when I saw this bundle, I was like, I don't own a ColourPop lip gloss yet. I was planning to get one, and then she brings out Moonchild. I was like, I have to have it. And then she has Dreamy, which is very similar to Eco Park, by the way. I've tried this in school. The slight difference is, okay, wait, let me get you Eco Park. I have Eco Park over here. So this is Eco Park, and this is Dreamy. And if you see them side by side, they're really similar, only Eco Park is a bit lighter and Dreamy is a bit more orange. When I wore Dreamy on my lips the other day, it really reminded me of Eco Park, and I swatched them together. They are similar, but there is still a big difference to them. I just wanted to put that out there, you know, just in case you were wondering. I love the ColourPop Ultra Satin lip formulas. They have never failed me ever. They are very long wearing. They aren't kiss proof, but I'm fine with that. I can look past that. I don't really, you know, mind. Then she came up with Rever also. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. And it is this very bright red orange. I also actually wanted to try this when I saw her video about the Dream Set, because it isn't as orange as Miami Fever. Miami Fever is pure orange. I know you guys have probably seen so many swatches of these because these came out last year and so many YouTubers have tried them, but I personally wanted to make a video because I want to, and mainly because it's difficult to find, well, I find it difficult to look for YouTubers who have the same skin color as me. I'm a Filipino. I have yellow undertones. I'm not the darkest. Hindi ako pinakamorena, pero hindi rin ako maputi. Gets ba? I am kayumangi. Like, I'm kayumangi. Like, I am classified as kayumangi, but I'm still in that awkward middle. I'm in that awkward middle. Like, I don't know where to place myself. So I wanted to try this palette and these lipsticks on my skin tone, and if there are any of you out there who have the same skin tone as mine, we're in the awkward middle. I hope this video helps you see if, you know, you like how these lipsticks look on our skin tone. Okay, so let's go to the star of the show, the Dream St palette. This is it. This is the packaging. Such beautiful packaging, and then you have the names at the back. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Wow. Wow. The colors in these palettes are definitely very diverse. You have these 4 cool toned shades, and then the rest are of course very warm because Kathleen is a very warm girl. I have this really bright explosion of pink over there, which I love very much. Today for this video I'm going to go with the shimmery warm ones. Of course, I'm going to go with those first. Okay, so now that we saw all the contents, all that we're going to use today, I'm going to start with my face first, and then I will be right back with the eyes. Good job. Okay, here I am. I am prepped. My face is prepped, and my contour. I am baking on just one side because I'm done with this side. I swept all the powder off and I am done with this eye as well. This is the look that I did. It's nothing spectacular. It's just your basic, you know, sparkling pink. You know, it's the look that I wanted to go for today. I mean tonight. It's nighttime. Okay, so before going into the palette, I am going with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm going to conceal my eyelids with this. So after setting my concealer with some powder, I am now going with the Dream St palette, and I am going with this shade called Stardust. Putting this all over my lid. I'm taking this shade called Water Bearer, and I'm going to start building it up on the outer V of my eye and then slowly bringing it up to the crease. After Water Bearer, I'm going to take Stardust once again and blend everything together. I'm just going to keep taking Stardust and blending it in between colors that I add in. Next, I'll be taking this darker brown Moony and doing the same thing I basically did with Water Bearer. I'm going to be more careful with it since it's a darker brown. Next, I'll be taking this sparkling shade called Shooting Star, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I'll be a little careful about the more glittery shadows because there is a lot of fallout. If you can see it here, there's so much gold, but it's a good thing I baked before I put on my eyeshadow, so when I swept off all that bake, most of the glitter went with it, but there are still some specks of glitter left. So I still have my bake here, so which is good. So just be careful with your shadows. You can either apply this with your finger or apply it with a brush. I do it with both. First I put on a brush, and I use my finger, and then I use a brush with some Fix Plus. I'm bringing the glitter a little bit up my crease. Sometimes a bit of glitter in your crease is good for your health too. Then I take the blending brush I used to blend the browns at the corners and just redefine those dark colors. Then I'm going to take the shade Spark and put it on top of Shooting Star all over the lid. Okay, now that I'm done with the lid, I'm going to sweep off this bake and put on some color on the waterline. So I'm sweeping off this bake first, along with all of that fallout that came with those glitter shadows. Now we're taking Sweet Dreams with a mixture of Elfish and maybe a bit of Twinkle also, and put it all over your lash line. Last, for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara for my top lashes and the Revlon Mega Multiplier for my bottom lashes. Two different mascaras. One is black for the upper lashes, and for the lower lashes, dark brown. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to finish off the face. I've done my brows, I've done my contour, and my foundation and my concealer. We just have to finish off the face. So I'm going to be taking the Makeup Factory Duo Contouring Powder in the shade I don't know what shade this is. 2555 or 15. I'm going to be taking the contouring shade in my VDL Destiny Multitask brush. Do you see this baby hair? That never stays put. Also this. For blush, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Coloricon in the shade Pearlescent Pink and the e.l.f. stipple brush. To highlight the face, we're going to use the classic MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized highlighter with the Morphe M509. And then, last but not the least, we're taking Ultra Satin Lip in Dreamy, and on top of that, the Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. I'm just going to let that set for a while, let it dry a bit, and then we're putting the gloss on top. So that is it for this look. This is it. This is the finished product. It's very glowy, something that I don't normally do because I do have oily skin, but then suddenly I was just like, let me go with sparkles today and highlights and a glossy lip. So here is it. This is it. What I can say about these is, of course, they're ColourPop. You can never go wrong with ColourPop. The ColourPop palettes have been raved about. They are being loved by everyone, by YouTubers, and the formulas of these aren't any different from the formulas of other ColourPop palettes. The only difference are the colors that Kathleen chose for her palette, and I absolutely love the colors. The unique ones are, of course, Potion, you have Kaleidoscope. I kind of love Mermaid Boy as well. I didn't use any of those today, but then the ones that I used today are very Kathleen. Warm colors, sparkling colors, they are very her, so I understand that this is her palette. It's her dream street. I love the palette, I love the packaging, I love this. I love it so much. I love Moonchild and Dreamy. I didn't think they would look good on top of each other, like on me, since Ultra Satin has already a bit of a sheen enough, and then I put Moonchild on top and it's just perfect. I'll be doing another video definitely for the other colors in the palette and for Revers. I'll be doing that in another video. I don't know if it will be the next video or the video after the next, or I don't know. We'll just see. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for swimming by my channel. I hope you enjoyed, because I enjoyed filming this so much. I enjoyed playing with Kathleen's new toys. I hope you look forward to the next video where I use the other colors in the palette and of course Revers. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for swimming by my channel, guys. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like button if you like this video, you know. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye!